Ito, may oras na. May oras na to. Prince, sinabi kami. Bro, sakto yan. May naka-movie dito kuya. Naka-movie. Net. Ay, si Emil. Emil ba ito? Pwede mo ikalo dyan ha, gusto mo. Game. 12 minutes ha, 12 minutes.
Kunin mo na lang ako.
Saan?
Sa intercom.
Sige.
Wala akong kailangan dito.
Ayun.
Pa rin. Ako. Wala na, Binet.
Go. Wala pa. Go. 12 minutes to 6 minutes change. Dos rest na yan, dos rest.
Meron pa rin up to go?
Yung pa rin daw. Palit lang sa akin si Jerome. Good. 2 points. All two. Three. No good. 3 point by Sir Card. No good pa rin. 4-2 in favor of Team Mix. Wait lang. Good ball good ball. 4-2 in favor of all four. Done. Clear the floor. Deadlock all four. Two points. Number 0, 6-4. Two points. Jerome Damasco. Deadlock all 6. Oras 11 minutes exactly. Pass to 0. Step back 3. No good. Remove by Jerome. Pass to Dylan. Pass to Jerome. Short jumper. No good. Remove by number 0. Number 0, pass to Jose. Pass to Prince. 2 points, Prince. 8-6 in favor of Team Mix. Pass to Damasco again. Fake. Damasco, pass to Vasco. Short jumper. No good pa rin. Rebound by Jerome, wala pa rin. Rebound ni Prince. 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Steal by Kenneth nagmamadali. Pass to Dan sa ilalim. To Kenneth, 2 points. Deadlock all 8. Assist by Dan Peñaflor. Deadlock all 8. Jose, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 0. Number 0, steal by Jerome. To Kenneth nagmamadali. Kenneth lumipad. 2 points. Kenneth. Yake. 10-8. In favor of Team Papawis lang. Jose, wala pa rin iba by Sir Carl. 2 points. Deadlock all 10. Carl Guillermo. Deadlock all 10. Oras 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to Jerome. Pass to Kenneth, short jumper, no good. Rebound by Jerome. Jerome sa ilalim. Jerome, steal by Mets. Nakuha bola, pass to Jose. Jose taking 3. No good. Rebound by Sir Urge. Sakto may mga dumating, Rock, ano kayo, Rock? Laro kayo, laro. Pwede yan. Pass to Pedro Romero naman sa ilalim wala pero rin pa niya pa rin. Pass to Jerome, 2 points. Deadlock, all 12. Jerome Damasco. Zero, no good. Remo by Prince. Steal by Vasco. Vasco nagmamadali. Vasco na Jenny. 2 points. Change favor. 14-12. Lamang na ang team. Makawis lang. Kenneth, Jose lumipad. Wala pa rin. Limon na naman ni Prince. Wala pa rin. Remo by Urge. Boss Urge nagmamadali. Boss Urge. Pinahitamak pa. Pinigay kay Vasco. Back-to-back hits by Vasco. 16-12. Lamang na ng 4. Ang team pabawis lang. Lamang na ng 4. Ang team pabawis lang. 16-12. Jose. Taking 3. Kenneth. Jose. Lamang na lang po ng isa. 16-15. 9 minutes and 14 seconds. No good. 3 po by Mets. Mets na mamadali. Mets pa rin. To Prince. Wala pa rin mo by Mets sa ilalim. Mets, short jumper. 2 points. Christian. Mets. Change favor. 70-60. To Jerome. Guarding by Mets. Jerome, short jumper din. 2 points. Jerome Damasco. 18-17. Change favor again. Team, pabawis lang. Jose. Taking another 3. No good. Remo by Sir Urge. Sir Urge, nagmamadali. Sir Urge. Are you play? Ang ganda ba sa 2 points? Vasco. Lamang na po ng 3 ulit. Kennedy nagmamadali sa postcard. Pass number 0, 2 points. Number 0, 2019. In favor of team mapawis lang pa rin. Pass to Jerome. Short jumper, no good. Wala pa rin. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. 0. Dumiretso na. Wala pa rin. Nino. Nakuha ni Vasco. Grabe si Vasco. Pass to Jerome. Short jumper na naman. 2 points. 22-19. Lamang na po. Di papawis. Boscar, yung Jelly rin. Wala. Sayang yun. 7 minutes and 30. Ang ganda sa inyo naman sa ilalim nun. 2 points. Kenneth Iake. 24-19. 7 minutes and 37. Paso number 0 na naman ginamit ang haba. 2 points. Number 0. 24-21. Paso Iake. Iake nagmadali. Looper shot. No good. Rebound by number 0. To Jose. Nagmamadali. Jose taking 3. No good. Rebound by Jerome. Short jumper din. Wala pa rin rebound ni Mets. Power rebound na disenyan ng Swiss-Utile Ballers. 18 papawis run. Kahit konti, laban-laban lang, pero lumiyapon. Pero napagandang seal ni Boss Urge pa sa rebound. Vasco to Dan. Back to Vasco. Ganda pasa. Pero hindi na-convert. Pero na-rebound ni Jerome. 2 points na naman. 26-21. Lamang ng 5. Di papawis lang. Pass to Boss Card. Pass to Prince. Umikot pa. 2 points. Prince. 26-23. 3-point lead na lang. By team mapawis lang, pero nagdaga ni Jerome Damasco. 28-23. Lamang na 5. Ang team mapawis lang. Last possession before change. Mets taking 3. No good. Rebound by Urge. Nagmamadali. Urge pa rin. Step back 3. No good. Rebound ni number 0. Last possession before change. Jose. Guarded by Kenneth. Tokayo. Ganda depensa. Pero nakakuha ni 0. Pinalik kay Kenneth. Change court na po. Score natin, 28-23 in favor of foul, change court. Bola nila, team mix. Bola ng team mix. Score, 28-23, 5-point lead by Team Papawis lang. Team nila Kenneth Yage, 28-23. Good ball. Good ball. Steal by Dan. Dan nagmamadali. Pass to Vasco, short number 2 points. Dan Vasco, 30-23. Pito na po ang lamang. To Mets, ang laki niyan sa ilalim. Mets pa rin. Mets pa rin, 2 points. Christian Mets. 30-25. Lamang ng 5. To Damasco. Fake, Damasco pa rin. No good, pero foul. Pati sa inyo yan na hot rock loading. Abangan niyo yung jerseys natin, lalawas ko para sa intercolor. Abangan niyo lang, bros. 4 minutes and 30. 30-25 in favor of Team Papawis lang. Damasco taking 3, no good. Out of bounds. Last touch by Christian Metz. Last touch by Dan Peñaflor. Bola na team mix. Score natin 30-25. Oras 4 minutes and 9 seconds. 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Good job, 3. Number 0. 30-28. 2-point lead na lang. Pero Jerome gumagawa ng paraan. 2 points. Jerome Damasco, 32-28. No good, pero Mets pa rin. 2 points. Christian Mets. 32-30. Dalawa na lang lamang. Damasco. To Vasco. 2 points. John Vasco, 34-30. Apat ulit ang lamang. Jose. 83.